Good morning, students. In our today's class, we are continuing with our topics from this chapter, and the topic is ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy. First of all, we have to understand that what is the meaning of this word. What is ionization enthalpy? What is ionization enthalpy? Actually, the ionization enthalpy is energy required in the removal of the electron from the outermost cell. Energy required. Energy required in the removal of electron from outermost cell, outermost cell. Energy required in the removal of electron from the outermost cell. In any element where the electron is present in its outermost cell, and if we want to remove the electron from its outermost cell, the value of the energy which we require is known as ionization enthalpy. Now we have to understand the comparison of ionization enthalpies in the elements of group number 14 and group number 15. Always remember that these all properties are related to the size. If size is small, it means Z effect is more. And if Z effect is more, the value of ionization enthalpy is also more. If the size is small, meaning of this, the nuclear force applied on the outermost electron is present in large quantity, and if we want to remove the electron, then we need to provide the large amount of energy for this. So when we compare the both groups, group number 14 and group number 15, the value of this ionization enthalpy for this group number 14 is decreases and group number 15 will increases, because when we move in this direction, the size will become small. Group size will become small. Size will become small. Size will become small in this manner. So ionization enthalpy of the element of group number 15. Group number 15 is much higher than with comparison to the elements of group number 14. That is the question. Now explanation regarding to this. Increased nuclear charge, increased nuclear charge reduced the atomic and ionic radius, in this reduced atomic and ionic radius. When the radius is small, ionic size is small, we require the large amount of energy. when we because the electrons are strongly attracted by the nucleus. Now successive ionization enthalpies. What is the meaning of this term? We understand that what is this successive ionization enthalpy means del I H1 del I H2 del I H3 del I H1 del I H2 del I H3. Successive ionization enthalpies of these elements increase in this order. Increase in this order. Why this happens? Why this happens? Try to understand this reason. If we have this atom and this element is a neutral in this condition. Whenever we apply the energy and we remove the electron from its outermost cell, then in this condition, what we see that the negative charge get reduced. Negative charge get reduced, and the attraction of nucleus increases. Attraction of nucleus increases. Attraction of nucleus increases. If we remove another electron from this, the positive charge will also increase, and in this condition the attraction of nucleus also increases. So as we are removing the electron, the positive charge is increasing, and force of attraction applied by the nucleus is also increasing. That is why the value of these successive ionization enthalpies is in this order. If we are removing the first electron, you require the less amount of energy. If you are removing the second electron, you require the more energy with comparison to the first. And if you are removing the third electron, then you require the more amount of energy with comparison to the second. So that is known as successive ionization enthalpy. Now we have another topic in this, that is electronegativity. In 11th class, you all have discussed these topics, that what is electronegativity. So just see electronegativity, power to attract the electron present, power to attract the electron. That is known as electronegativity. Every element has its power to attract the electron, and that is known as electronegativity. Now group 15 elements are more electronegative. Group 15 elements are more electronegative, and group 14 elements are less electronegative. So what is the reason behind this? How we explain this, that which factors are responsible for this? Electronegativity of elements of group 15. Group 15 shows the gradual decrease on moving down in a group. When we move down in a group, we have to move from up to downward, and in this condition size of particular atom will increase. So due to the smaller atomic size and smaller number of electrons needed to